Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to log into your Bitget Wallet app. To log into your Bitget Wallet account, first of all, open your Bitget application on your mobile device. After you do that, you will then end up in this main home page for Bitget. Go to the top left corner and tap on the waffle menu button. In the expanded menu, tap on Login at the top left, and then follow through the instructions to log into your account. Select one of the options from email/mobile or sub account and then type in your credentials in the text box. Go ahead and enter your mobile phone number or your email address in the box and tap on Next. Complete the CAPTCHA and then it'll prompt you to enter your password for your account. If you don't remember your password, click on the Forgot Your Password link and follow through the instructions, and it'll help you to reset to a new password. If you remember your password, you can type it down in the password field. Finally, tap on Login. Soon after you do that, you will then be logged into your Bitget Wallet account. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you.